Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is a really awesome upgraded and addition to the workflow builder for WhatsApp. So think we're calling this WhatsApp V2 Action. So the idea here is the legacy WhatsApp actions were pretty limited. They lacked a lot of flexibility for dynamic workflows and struggled with a lot of media-rich templates and so forth. So what's new here is we've completely reimagined the WhatsApp automation. So WhatsApp Action V2 replaces the old system with a smarter, more powerful engine that delivers unmatched flexibility and control. So a couple of highlights. First up, smart branching. So automatically generate workflow branches based on button replies. So for example, here, let's say you have a WhatsApp message that has buttons. It automatically knows what the branches, there it is, what the branches would be. I'm gonna find it. Oh, there's one. Okay, perfect. So it'll automatically know if you have like, I want to buy tickets or yes or no or whatever. Based on those button clicks, it'll automatically give you branches in the workflow builder. So that's super cool. Media versatility, so you can easily update URLs for media templates, so like PDFs and videos and images on the fly. Enhanced messages, so you could send freeform message templates or flow enable templates really effortlessly. Branch toggle, so if you don't need branches, there's actually a toggle where you can actually disable them if you want to and run it just like the WhatsApp V1 worked. Also timeout actions, so you could set fallback actions if the user doesn't respond within a time limit. Wait for reply logic, so you can pause the workflow until a reply is received. Only if the message is delivered, obviously. So like right here, for example, you can shoot out a message. If it's delivered, you can wait. And then once and wait for a reply, and then you can take action. So that's awesome. Also auto handle deliverability. So no more if conditions to check message status delivery. So you can kind of see right here, automatically it's going to throw in undelivered or timeout. So you've got all of that in there. Obviously, why does this matter? Pretty obvious. It just makes things so much easier to build chatbots and full workflow control and all of that. So how do you get started? Obviously, create a template, add buttons, send the message, and then just go into the workflow and build it, and you're good to go. So huge update here from the WhatsApp team getting this out in the workflow builder. So obviously go check it out when you get a chance. And on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Wednesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.